ever tried hammering a nail with the wrong tool? Or worse, your hand? Yeah, let's not do that.
Hammers might seem like simple tools, but trust me, there's a lot more to them than just whack, whack, done.
In this video, we'll break down the different types of hammers, how to use them properly, and most importantly, how to stay safe while using them. Let's get started. Did you know hammers have been around for over 3 million years? The earliest versions were just rocks. Our ancestors figured out real quick that smashing things is kind of useful.
And over time, we upgraded from random rocks to well-designed hammers built for specific jobs. So yeah, we've come a long way.
Not all hammers are created equal. Let's go through some of the most common types and their uses. Claw hammer. Your classic hammer. Great for driving nails in and pulling them out. Ball peen hammer. Designed for metalworking and shaping metal. Think of it as the hammer for tougher jobs. Rubber mallet. Perfect when you need force without damaging surfaces. Because sometimes not everything needs brute strength. Sledgehammer, the powerhouse. Used for demolition, breaking concrete, or just making a big statement. Dead blow hammer. Reduces rebound, making it great for precision work where control matters.
Each hammer has its own superpower, so knowing the right one for the job makes all the difference.
Using a hammer isn't just about swinging as hard as you can. Here's how to do it right. Grip the handle near the end. More control, less effort. Swing with your wrist and elbow, not just your arm. Let the weight of the hammer do the work. Aim before you strike, because missing can lead to bent nails or bruised thumbs. Use the right hammer for the job. Sledgehammers and picture frames don't mix well.
Also, if you're hammering something delicate like assembling furniture, don't go full Thor on it.
Hammers are simple, but accidents happen when you're careless. Keep these safety tips in mind. Wear safety glasses. Yes, nails can fly. Check your hammer before using it. Loose head, cracked handle. Time for a new one. Use a nail holder if necessary. Save your fingers from unnecessary pain. Don't use a hammer on something it's not designed for. Glass, electrical wires, your phone, let's not go there.
And most importantly, watch where your other hand is. Trust me, learning that the hard way is not fun.
A good hammer isn't just about type, it's about quality. The right hammer makes work easier, safer, and lasts longer.
We've used a lot of tools, and Elora hammers stand out for their durability and precision. Whether it's for small fixes or heavy-duty work, having a well-made hammer makes all the difference.
If you're curious about the hammers we trust, check the link in the description.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Now go forth and hammer responsibly.